So today we are going to learn customizing the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar appears on the far left of the title bar. By default, it contains save, undo and redo buttons. If you find yourself frequently using certain commands, you can add them to the toolbar. There are several ways to customize the quick access toolbar. But the easiest way is, suppose if you want to add the bold command on your quick access toolbar, so just right click on the bold and add to quick access toolbar. Similarly, if you want to add font color to your quick access toolbar, so just right click on your font color and add to the quick access toolbar. So you will see we have added bold and font color to the quick access toolbar. Another way is just open this customize quick access toolbar button, and from this list, if suppose you want to add the new, just click on add and you will see a new command appears on the quick access toolbar. Open this again, customize quick access toolbar. If you do not want any command from here, so this is the more commands. Click on the more commands button and the Excel option dialog box will open. From here you can see the popular commands and all commands are here. Suppose you want to add the copy command on the quick access toolbar, so just click on copy, add and OK. So you will see copy is also there. One more time, go to the more commands, and if you want to see suppose this time cut, so just click cut, add and OK. So you will see we have added cut, copy, new, font color, bold to the quick access toolbar. If you do not want these commands on the quick access toolbar, again just right click and delete it. Sometimes you will find out that your quick access toolbar below the ribbon like this. If you want to bring your quick access toolbar above the ribbon, so just right click here and it says shows quick access toolbar above the ribbon. So it will come up here again. Sometimes it happens that you see only your tabs but you cannot see your commands here. So this is the ribbon display option button. This is the show tabs. If you click here, you will see only your tabs. Your all commands are not here. If you want to bring back your all commands, just click on the ribbon display option and show tabs and commands. Another way is if suppose your only tabs are here and you want to see your all commands, so these are the tabs, just right click any tab and collapse the ribbon. So your ribbon is back. So in this video, we have learned to organize or customize the quick access toolbar, how we can add more commands here. If your quick access toolbar is under the ribbon, how we can bring back, just right click and here we have seen if you have only tabs, so how you can bring back your all commands. Thanks for watching the video.